Yo guys, got a very special video for you today. Blindfolded GCSE maths. I don't have a blindfold, but I have this pink top. Alright, I'm gonna blindfold myself, and what's gonna happen is Hokia and Caffeine are gonna be reading me out the questions. Can't see anything, so I'm just gonna have to memorize the question. I'm gonna have to memorize what I'm writing as well. So, let me fold this up and we can make a start. Right, I'm gonna get a headache. Oh! Now, just so you guys know, this is obviously a non-calculator paper. So I'm gonna have to try and blast my way through a GCSE paper. I feel like over 90% for sure can be secured, but Hockey is gonna have to remember what answers I've got down there. Alright.
Yeah, okay, so now we're gonna spin you 3 times, right?
What do you mean? I need to face the board, dude. But now I'm not facing the board, I swear. Alright, question 1.
Question 1. Work out the cube root of 64 times 1,000.
Wait, the times 1,000's in the inside.
Everything inside.
So 4 times 10, 40. Okay, so that's my answer for first one. But I need to rub out the thing, right?
Here.
No, you rub it out.
Try rubbing it out.
Oh my god.
Okay, next one. The vector -2, 3 translates A to B. Circle the vector that translates B to A.
So, oh, this is an AQA paper, isn't it? So A to B is -2, 3. So to go from B back to A, so you're going -2, 3. So I'm going 2 minus 3. Okay, that's my answer.
Okay, erase. Circle the expression that is equivalent to 3A minus A.
So 2A.
Wait, I'm not done.
Oh.
Multiplied by 4A plus 2A. Minus A multiplied by 4A plus 2A.
4A. Are they in brackets?
No, no brackets at all.
At the end, was it plus A?
Plus 2A.
2A, and we had 3A here, right? 5A minus 4A squared.
Okay, that's your attempt. Okay, next question. Circle the number that is closest in value to 9.8 divided by 0.0195.
9.8 divided by 0.00195. What are my options? Oh, 50, 5. Okay, so it's like 5 times different powers of 10. 0 times 1,000 divided by 2. So that's 5 times 1,000. Was 5,000 an answer?
5,000 was an answer, yeah?
Yeah, 5,000.
Down, 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 down. Left, 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 left. Up, 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 up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Solve 5, open bracket, x plus 3 is less than 60.
X plus 3 is less than 12. X less than 9.
Yeah. The height of Zach is 1.86 meters. The height of Fred is 1.6 meters. Write the height of Zach as a fraction as a height of Fred. Give your answer in the simplest form.
1.86, 1.6, right?
Correct.
No, I'm bugging. It is 93 over 80, and that doesn't simplify. 93 over 80.
Okay, let's go.
A has coordinates 0, 2, and B has coordinates 6, 5, and they're points on a straight line A, B, C, and D. AB equals BC equals CD.
Bomba. $18.11.
Sure. A coin is thrown 50 times.
50 times.
It lands on heads 31 times. Write down the relative frequency it lands on heads.
31 out of 50. That one mark?
And then there's a part B.
Oh.
Raj says the coin is biased towards heads. Use data to give a reason why he might be correct. 1 mark.
If it was a fair coin, you would expect to get 25 heads. Because we got 31, that's greater than 25. That's why we might be able to say that it's biased.
Sure. The range of a set of numbers is 15.25. The smallest number is -2 and 7/8. Right? Work out the largest number.
12 and 3/8.
Sure, next question. Complete the table.
Oh.
Complete the table.
Wait, what?
Y is inversely proportional.
Are you idiot? What? I knew it was a proportion question.
Y is inversely proportional to x.
X was 12, right?
X was 12.
Okay, shh. X is 3, I think.
Okay, fine.
Okay. A large rectangle is made by joining 3 identical small rectangles as shown. I will describe it. So draw like a long rectangle.
Vertical or horizontal?
Horizontal. Okay. And this same one. Imagine there's another horizontal rectangle below it, touching it. So like,
So basically it's like that.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then on the right hand side of the two rectangles, there's a vertical rectangle connecting it.
That
It's like
fits
touching.
perfectly.
Yes.
So it's kind of like one big one and it looks like a T.
Yes.
Okay, so it's one big rectangle with a T.
A large rectangle is made by joining three identical small rectangles as shown.
Yeah,
The perimeter of one small rectangle is 15 centimeters.
yeah.
Work out the perimeter of the large rectangle.
So 10 plus 15, 25, I think.
Put these numbers in order from smallest to largest.
Oh,
8 times 10 to the power of minus 4. The second one is 4 times 10 to the power of minus 2. The third one is 6 times 10 to the power of minus 4. And then the last one is 0.07.
yeah, so 7 times 10 to the minus 2.
Okay.
Alright.
Circle the volume that is the same as 15 centimeters cubed. I'll give you the options. First one is 15,000 millimeters cubed. Next one is 1.5 millimeters cubed. Third one is 0.0015 millimeters cubed.
So they're all millimeters cubed.
Yes.
So the answer is 15,000. Is that one of the options?
Yes.
Easy. What's funny?
Okay, part A. Patterns are made using straight lines and arcs. Pattern A, in brackets row 1. Sorry, 1 row. Okay, imagine 4 arcs lined up next to each other.
Like this.
Yes, but they're not really touching.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
pretend they're not touching.
Says more rows are added to pattern B so that the number of straight lines to the ratio of the number of arcs equals 10 to 9. How many rows are added?
Oh.
And it's 2 marks.
So it's not like arc, line, arc,
No,
2 lines.
it's like they're
arc, 2
connected
lines.
by sharing the vertical line, but they're not separate, but they're not touching.
So I need 6 more rows.
Straight lines and arcs are made from metal. 20 straight lines cost £12. The cost of one straight line to the cost of one arc is in the ratio 2:3.
So a straight line is 2, arc is 3. The metal, but that's the arc and the lines, right?
Yes.
So 1440 plus 12 is £26.40, I think. Okay.
Bias dice is thrown.
A biased die or dice?
Dice?
Dice. Biased dice then.
Yeah?
So not a Catherine.
Uh-uh.
Catherine does English.
What?
Come on.
A bias dice. Okay, a dice is thrown. Wait.
Oh, you're not Catherine's bargaining.
I'm scared. Yeah, that's thrown. Here are the probabilities of each score. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So it's like there's 2 rows. Scores 1 to 6 as the first row.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And then the probabilities for it underneath. So the probability to get a score 1 is 0.25. To get a 2 is 0.05. To get a 3 is 0.15. To get a 4 is 0.05. To get a 5 is 0.3. And to get a 6 is 0.2. The dice is thrown 200 times. Work out the expected number of times the score will be odd.
Odd. So we're doing 0.7 times 200, which is 140.
Next question, number 16. The value of y is 20% more than the value of x.
Yeah.
Circle the ratio x is to y. 5 is to...
1.2 to 1,
Huh?
which is 12 to 10, 6 to 5. Is that one of the answers?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah!
Wow.
Wait, did it want the ratio of y to x?
No, x to y.
Oh, okay. Say that again. Hold on. So it's 5 to 6, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here is a triangle.
Picturing it in my head.
It's a triangle.
Oh, well done.
34 degrees on one side, 42 on the other, 108 on the 104 on the other side. So the length that is opposite to 104 is 15. The length between 34 degrees and 104 degrees is x. Circle the correct equation.
X over that sine 45 or 42.
42.
15 over sine of that 104, whatever.
Hey.
Does it want you to rearrange for x?
No, that's it.
Oh.
Yeah, you're done. You're done. It's 1 mark.
Let's go! Let's
Yeah,
go!
yeah, yeah. Okay, cool.
Here is a tunnel of a toy train.
Ah.
The diagram below shows the cross section of the tunnel. So imagine the vertices at the bottom. You have your A, B, C, and D.
Yeah.
AD is a semicircular arc of radius 10.
Yeah, the big one.
BC is a semicircular arc of radius 7.
Yeah.
So it's like the whole is
Yeah,
7
yeah.
centimeters. Has a radius of 7 centimeters, okay? Work out the area of all 6 faces of the tunnel. Give your answers in terms of pi, and it's a 5 mark.
Spaces. So it's like it's going along.
Yes.
That's my answer. Let's go.
Type A batteries and Type B batteries were tested. The cumulative frequency diagram shows information about the battery life of Type A. It starts off with 0 and then it bumps up a little bit, like
this.
yeah, like a small, yeah, exactly. Wait. Let me draw the motion in your hand. So it's like.
That's what I did before.
No, you were drawing like the squiggly stuff. Too much.
No, I wasn't.
Too-
You're booging.
Too much squiggles.
300, sorry, because you take them away for the IQ one.
Next question. Estimate the number of Type A batteries that had a battery life of more than 1,600.
Okay, I'm gonna have to trust you here again. Locate 1,600 on the x-axis. So the answer is 4.
The box plot shows information about the battery life of Type B. On average, which had a greater battery life?
On the cumulative frequency, Hokia.
Yeah.
On the y-axis.
Yeah.
Find me 40.
Wait, what?
This guy.
There's no y-axis. It's a box plot.
Dude, not the box. I said A, the cumulative frequency.
Okay,
Find 40 on the y-axis.
Okay, found it. Yeah, 1,260.
The answer is battery B, because the median of 1,300 is larger than 1,260, so it has a longer battery life on average. Boom! That's exactly how I explained it to my GCSE students. What?
A linear sequence starts.
Yeah.
So the first term, A plus 2B. Second term is A plus 6B. Third term is A plus 10B. And it says the second term has value 8.
What was that? Was that A plus 6B?
Yep. And the fifth term has value 44.
Damn. Then I've got A plus 6B is 8. So 6 times 13 over 6 is 13. It equaled 8, right? So A is minus 5. How are we doing?
Enlarge the triangle ABC by scale factor -2
A Larson triangle? Who's that? This is impossible. 3, 2, 3, 2, 6, 4. So it's in line with 0, 5, but it'll be -2, 5. So we have, I don't think I can remember that, but I have 0, 5, -2, 5, and what was it? It was -4, 1.
Yeah, that was a, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did I draw that?
There's something on the board.
Okay, cool.
Which of these represents the shaded region? There's two circles, A and B. They're intersecting each other.
Like overlapping,
Overlapping,
like a Venn diagram.
Yeah. It's a Venn diagram. Okay?
Is it like this? Is it like this?
No, it's just a
Horizontal,
horizontal
yeah.
Venn diagram.
Okay.
Okay? Outside, everything outside the Venn diagram is shaded. All of A is shaded as well.
Which one? Oh, okay, I see. And A dash, but you're saying not that.
And everything outside the whole, like the not included area is also shaded.
Yeah, that technically is it, but I don't know if there's an or statement.
No. So, no.
Okay, go on, give me my options. Nice, the third one.
So A union B dash. A shopkeeper compares the income from sales of a laptop in March and April. In April, the price is 1/5 more than March. The number sold in April is 1/4 less than March. By what fraction does the income from these sales decrease in April?
A tenth.
Okay, let's go. 24A. Work out the value of 2 to the power of 14 divided by 2 to the power of 9, whole thing squared.
1 over 60.
Work out the value of 25 to the power of 3 over 2.
125.
Okay. Here is a sketch of the graph y equals cos x.
I got it in my head.
For values of x from 0 degrees to 360 degrees.
Standard for GCSE.
Part A. Cos x equals cos 60. Work out the value of x when 90 degrees is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 360.
Cos of 60, this is a non-calculator paper. Cos of 60 is, I mean, you don't even need that. It's primary, secondary value, isn't it? So the answer is 300. You just read across if you have the graph, but, you know, you just primary, secondary value in that.
Cos x equals minus cos 60. Work out the value of x when 180 degrees is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 360.
360 minus 120, 240.
Okay, let's go. B is 2/3 of C. 5A equals 4C. Work out the ratio A is to B is to C and write in the simplest form.
I got none of that. B is 2/3 C.
B is 2/3 of C. 5A equals 4C. Work out the ratio A, B, C.
4/5, 2/3, 1. So we're going to get 15. Was that 4/5?
Yeah.
12, 10. Did I say 12, 10, 15?
Right in the simplest form.
Yeah, donut. What goes into all of them? 2. No, 2 doesn't go into 15. 5 doesn't either. Yeah, I think that's the answer, mate.
Cool. Joe wants to work out the solutions of x squared plus 3x minus 5 equals 0. The solutions cannot be worked out because x squared plus 3x minus 5 does not factorize to x plus
Oh, that's what I
a,
said.
x plus b.
Yeah.
Is Joe correct? Give a reason for your answer.
This is to do with the quadratic formula. So 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4a. What was the number I think? Was it minus 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's wrong. Because you're doing 9.
She.
Oh, sorry, she. We can use the quadratic formula and we notice that what's inside the square root is positive. So we do have solutions, they're just not integers. It's a third answer.
Without expanding brackets, it's a continuation of the same question. Show how to work out the exact solutions of 9 within brackets x plus 3 squared. So it's x plus 3 whole
I
thing
got you,
in
got you.
squared equals 4.
So 9, 4. You divide 4 ninths, you square root plus or minus 2/3. Plus or minus 2/3 minus 3. Then minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11/3. Those are my two solutions.
Simplify root 80 plus root 2 and 2 ninths. Give your answer in the form a root 5 over b.
Oh, sorry, root 80.
Yeah. Plus root 2 and 2 ninths.
I did this video. So 80 is 16 times 5. So 4 root 5. So 20 over 9. So we have 2 root 5 over 9 plus 4 root 5 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14 over 3 root 5. Okay.
Okay, here are sketches of 2 graphs. Okay. The graph of y equals x squared minus 1 is translated 3 units to the left to give graph A. The equation of graph A can be written in the form y equals x squared plus bx plus c. Work at the values of b and c.
So we had x squared minus 1. The minus 1 was outside of the x squared. There's no brackets there. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 8.
And part B, the graph of y equals x squared minus 1 is reflected in the x-axis to give graph B. Work out the equation of graph B.
So that you just times in by minus 1. So that'll be 1 minus x squared. Is it? Final question.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, show that the value of cos 30 times tan 60 plus sine 30 is an integer.
What? 3 over 2 plus a half. 3 over 2. Don't mess this up. 3 over 2 plus a half is 2.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's it.
We finished.
Done.
Yeah. Oh. Right, guys. Now it's time to go back through the footage, write down all of my answers, and compare it against the mark scheme. Wish me luck.
24 hours later.
Hey guys, so I've just finished marking 27 out of the 30 questions that Neil's done. So I've got Neil over here. I'm cross-checking with the mark scheme over there, and I've got the question paper here as well. So I've just got to get through 3 more questions, and yeah, I've been here for time. I've been here for about an hour, maybe going through this whole footage and just like checking which ones he's got correct, because he just waffles a lot. Like I am right now. Okay, cool. I'll get right into it then. Cool, so I've just finished marking every single question. He's actually done decently well. I think he did better than his spicy ramen challenge video. He only got 1 fully wrong, 1 partially correct, and 2 out of 4 marks for one of them. So not bad at all, Neil. Cool, let's go and reveal to Neil how he did. Yo, Neil, I got your exam results back.
So, in the middle of something.
What? Looking for your ex? Here you go. So you got 76 out of 80.
I'm actually pleased with that.
And
76.
blindfolded too.
Blindfolded.
Blindfolded.
Hey, I'll take it.
Just
All right, wait. What is that? Okay. I lost 4 marks. Where? Partly correct. Do I actually get to see the paper?
you can afterwards, in your own time.
Mate, that's annoying that I lost 2 marks on question 20. Oh, okay. Well, I'm guessing that I'll get to see it in the video and I can see it after, because you guys don't show me anything. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then hit the like button, subscribe for more content, If you want me to do other types of challenges, drop in the comments. Or if you want me to do another blindfolded test, just let me know which test you want me. Well, I guess you shouldn't, but just give me the idea and Hokia and Catherine will take a look. I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know what percent. Oh, what percent is that actually?
Do it blindfolded.
Blindfolded, 95%.
What is that?
I don't know why I keep showing that. It's you, mate. 95% blindfolded. Could you guys do better? Let me know. Noise.